Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Punters V1 rangefinder. The first step, hold down this power button on the side for about 1 second and you'll be greeted with a nice little Punters icon pop up on the screen there. And then on the screen here, you'll be able to see your club on the top left there. It's followed by your smash factor, your club head speed, ball speed, and carry distance. So these are the 5 things that are always on the screen. For now, in this software, there is nothing else. So you can't measure your spin, can't measure your club path. That's where we're cutting the costs to make an affordable launch monitor. But if you do want to change your units, you can hold this second button down here for 1 second. You can go meters per second, miles per hour, kilometers per hour, everything's in there. As I'm Australian, I'll have it in kilometers per hour and meters. So I've actually got a 155 meter par 3 here. The first thing you want to do, I'm going to be using a 9-iron. You go through using the up and down on the side, you select your club, and then what you want to do is you want to put it 3 to 5 foot behind you, down your intended line. So the wind's a bit off the left here, so I'm going to put it a little bit to the left of the pin and hopefully let that wind just drift it back in. Oh, where's the wind? All right, there's the wind, it's pulling it back. We might be a bit hurting there, because I've absolutely smashed it. You might have seen on the video how hard I've swung at that. Now I've got about 10 extra meters out of it. I've hit that 165 carry. Oh yeah, the wind is definitely hurting. There's a lot of wind there. So just like all launch monitors, it won't calibrate for the wind. So make sure you take the wind in consideration before you hit a shot. We've just pulled up here, we've got 85 meters to the pin. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change between clubs and just hit another shot. So my little sand wedge is what I'm using. SW, there we go. 3 to 5 feet behind you, down the line. Try and hit a nice one in there. I nailed the distance, 82 meters from an 85 meter shot. It's just a little bit to the right. But yeah, it's that easy. And a little fun fact, you can actually update the software. So we're going to be coming out with software updates all the time, and you simply plug it into your computer, you'll be able to download it, it'll get sent out to you, and it's that easy. Another little feature, if you are speed training or you just want to practice a few air swings to get the distance, it will still measure your club head speed, just swinging without a ball. So you don't even need a ball to swing. Practice speed training if you're trying to hit it a bit longer off the tee. All you got to do, same thing, 3 to 5 foot behind you and swing away.